Alright, part 3. Trying to get my 2015 Sportsman up and running again. There was one thing that I just found out I didn't know I wasn't supposed to do, is when you got a low battery on your four-wheeler and it won't run, do not jump it off with your truck while it's running. Apparently this is what caused my whole entire problem. Alright, so, right here. Right there. Here. This is that infamous breaker I was looking for. And when you lift your lid up on the Polaris's and it's got the cable tie, it's right there. It's right next to it. So, had me all... Finally found it. This piece, the one that was making the other noise, that is a starter solenoid relay. Which I think is a horrible design. It goes from your battery to that and splits off and goes elsewhere. I don't like it, but that's how they wired it. Alright, so to recap, new battery, put a new relay in. I don't know why, I just put a new one in. I moved them all around, they're all the same. New starter solenoid. Cool, right? I think so. Alright. Oh, we got power. Check light, neutral, everything seems to be running good. Nothing. And it seems like every time I put the camera on, because this isn't the first time I've tried to film this one, that relay would start making noise and vibrating and chatting all over again. I don't know what's going on with it. So, I don't know. Uh-oh. It says low 10.6. Like my battery's dead again. Like I have a short somewhere. No, I don't know if it's a short. But that's not good. It says low 10.6. Something's draining my battery. I don't know what it is yet. Alright. So, to recap, new parts. New battery, tighten down on the battery connections, and since I jumped it with my truck while running, sending way too much power into this bike, I'm wondering if I fried something somewhere, melted some wires together, fried a computer. I hope I didn't fry that computer. Polaris wants like $450 for this thing. I think the cheapest I found was eBay for like $265. Anyway, I'll do some more troubleshooting on it and figure out what the hell's going on. I think I'm at my last ropes though. I don't know what to do here now. It's I might have to take it into a shop. I'm kind of limited on what I know about these, and I don't want to screw anything else up anymore. Well, I'll let you know what I do. Part 4 to be continued.